Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to accept payment only from specific card in Stripe payment gateway in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress. Before starting, like is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard and we are going to accept payment only from specific card like MasterCard or Visa card. So if person use another card in Stripe payment gateway, then payment not done. So this is plugin we are using, Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce, and we are using this plugin. So this check or validation we are going to add using WordPress. If you want to add more perfect validation on card, you can open your Stripe dashboard or account. Now you see this is a link. Now open Stripe account and then you see rules section of your radar dashboard. Open this and then you can add rule plus. Now you see, so this is format colon card underscore brand. Now you see condition we are using block if card brand colon Visa. So you can find radar condition on spot page in Stripe, but we are using this plugin and we are going to accept payment from specific card. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WebToffee Stripe, so click on it and then we are in general setting and then you see credit debit card, so click on it. So we are in credit debit card section. Now you see enable and then you see allow card question mark accept payment using selected card. Icon of the chosen card will be displayed at the checkout. Discover diner club JCB card. Now you see MasterCard. So currently we are accepting payment from this card on Stripe, MasterCard, Visa, American Express. Now we are going to remove diner club. Now remove done. If you want to add again, now you see. So now we only accept payment from this card, this specific card. So you can add cards according to your requirement for Stripe payment gateway and then click on save changes. So in this way you can accept payment from specific card in WooCommerce Stripe checkout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.